Jain everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived 7 characters, age ranging between 18 to 55, 2 female and 5 male. The action of my story is celebrating his 25th birthday with his villagers. The story goes like this: Vikram, a 25-year-old software engineer, so he went to his village to celebrate his 25th birthday, as it was a special day for him, and also he got a special recognition from his team as the greatest mind in his team. He helped his team to gather more clients and secure a better position globally. So to celebrate, he went to his hometown. He told them that everyone that gather at a place, he will give a healthy feast to all the relatives. The relatives later on blessed him and gave him a surprise gift so that he can achieve more great things in his life.
Okay, good.
Jai Hind everyone, as I perceived 7 to 8 character in my story, age between 21 to 48, all are in positive mood. So Ram is 21-year-old, going to the temple as his daily routine. He saw some people at outside the temple, and they are hunger since 2 to 3 days. So he decided that gave them food and clothes etc. With the help of his friend, they contribute their money and buy some food and clothes. They distribute to them peoples, and gave the child to some chocolates, and all are those hunger people gave him blesses. All are. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, I perceive 7 characters in my story. The age bracket is between 23 to 52. All mood positive. Action. It is a scene of village where a man is helping his villager during the time of food scarcity. Ramesh, a 28-year male, he is a tax officer in Bangalore, has came to meet his parents where he saw that his villagers and the farmer of his village are struggling due to food scarcity as there was no rainfall during that season. He decided to help his villagers, where he made them aware about the government's new initiative where the government is providing them the free meal. So he decided to write an application on behalf of his villagers. Later, the government help arrive. So before leaving to his work, he decided to spend some quality time with them by serving them meal by his own. Later, the villagers thanked him and for taking the initiative.
Jai Hind everyone, I have perceived in this picture that there are 7 characters. They are all positive. They all are in positive mood. Their age bracket is 6 to 35. Ram is a student. He goes his home, and they are celebrating 25th anniversary, parents' anniversary. He organized the event. He prepared whole the day, and he arranged all the essential items like water, food, and mat, van, etc. In this way, they make a food and they celebrated their birthday, and they also give the food to the needy person and donate the food, and they enjoy the trip. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, from the given picture I have perceived 7 characters, 5 male, 2 female. Age bracket lies between 26 to 50 years old. So the overall mood is positive. Action: an NGO planning and food campaign. Theme: spreading positivity and spirituality. Shiv, a 26-year-old working professional who completed his B.Tech in Bhopal. He belongs to a small village like Devas. There was a temple where he used to offer prayings to the god. After a successful working year, he decided to organize a bhandara in front of mandir, where he called all the villagers, and as a part of being an NGO, he decided to organize a NGO campaign as well. So after offering of food, Shiv spread the awareness about opportunities in city and how they can use government schemes for their financial and send their children for better education to the cities. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture, I have perceived my main character as male who is 18 to 20 years old and his mood is positive. The action of my story is social service on a special occasion. The story goes like this. On every 5th of January of every year, Ram and his family decides to pay homage for their ancestors and do some social work. This year, they decided to basically distribute food for poor. On 5th of January, the Ram and his family goes for a holy dip into Narmada, and after holy dip, they manage to get a cook and instructed poors to gather around, and then they arrange food for them. After distributing the food, the poor blessed the family and they continued their work and they were happy with the blessings. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. So I perceive 7 characters in my story. The age bracket is between 12 to 60 and the all over mood is positive. So the action of my story is distributing food among the people, and my story is like that. Ram is 25-year-old man. He's a food inspector in Bhopal one day when he went to his village, and her mother sent him to the medical to purchase some medicine. So he went nearby hospital's medical and he saw that the people admit in the hospital, their family have not getting the proper food, and they are just living on samosas and all. So he with his friends collaborated with some NGOs and organizations and provided them food, one-time food for all. So that's all. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. I have perceived 7 characters from the given picture. 4 of them are male and 3 are female. Their age ranges between 10 years to 30 years, and all of them are in a positive mood. The action of my story is it's a scene from the village where it's a scene of a lunch gathering. Ram is a 24-year young man from a village of Gwalior district, Madhya Pradesh. He is a sports enthusiast and was preparing for his selection in state cricket team. After a lot of efforts and trials, he got selected in sports cricket team and also get selected in the team for the upcoming interstate tournament. On the auspicious moment of his success, he decided to gather all the people of the village for the lunch. He informed all of them about his success and invited them to his residence to have lunch and enjoy lunch with their people. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived 8 characters. 2 of them are females and 6 are males. Age is between 8 to 50 years and all are in the positive mood. Action of my story is scene of a village celebrating the success of the village boy who has recently passed his 12th board exam. Ram, an 18-year-old boy, recently has given his 12th board exam and has passed with flying colours. He decided to share his success with the villagers by inviting them for a gathering and a lunch and for lunch. Many people gathered to celebrate Ram's success. Ram himself served each and every one of the villagers and also interacted with them to give blessing and also shared his future plans with them as he aspired to become a software engineer. He'd be moving to another city to find any deemed university and college. Everyone blessed the Ram for his future endeavors, and Ram also in return thanked them for coming to take part in the ceremony.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture, I have perceived 8 characters. 5 are males and 3 are females. The age bracket is between 25 to 60 years. And the overall mood is positive, and the action of my story is organizing a Bhandara after clearing UPSC Civil Services exam. The story begins like the Ram is 25 years old, village boy who belonged to a very backward village called Palampur, where educational establishments are rarely possible. Despite these circumstances, he cleared the UPSC Civil Services exam. To celebrate his success, he decided to organize a Bhandara. He took permission from Sarpanch to organize it. He managed to arrange people at one single place. He made food along with his family and served by himself. By serving the food, he also asked about the issues of the villagers and solved it in the time span of 2 to 3 years. Thank you.
Everyone, from the picture I perceive 7 characters, 4 male and 3 female. Age group from 25 to 50 years and overall mood positive. The action of my story is organizing a meal event for the poor. Saurabh is an IAS officer posted in a small town. One day, when roaming and observing the town, he observed that many poor people look thin and malnutrition. On inquiring, he came to know that they didn't get enough food. So he with his subordinates organized a meal event for them. In the event, he himself served them food. Later on, he asked the local government to distribute food to the poor every day. He was very happy with his work.
And everyone, in this picture I perceive 7 characters in this story. 4 are male and 2 are females. Age bracket between 28 to 52 years. Action of the story is Ram is celebrating his 28th birthday with the pupils at NGO. The story is Ram was 20-year-old student of LNCT Bhopal when he enjoying a birthday on at the village with an NGO with some kinds of celebration with us. Ram is 20-year-old bright student and fine student. On his 28th birthday, he will a celebration of his birthday with those people that live at NGO and those people are kind of celebration not having, so he decided to feed the food and celebrate his birthday on us. Ram is very satisfied at his inner heart and feel very happy today with the full of blessings.
From the given picture, I have perceived 7 characters, all 1 female and rest are male. All are in positive mood. The age group between 10 to 35 years of age. The action of my story is distributing langar. Aditya, 22 years old, was tasked by the NGO to create a langar distribution in the Rampur village. He went to the village. He decided about the place where the langar has to be distributed. Then, along with his team, he prepared a balanced meal for the villagers around there. Then he distributed the disposable plates, glass and spoons to the villagers. He distributed the itineraries to the villagers. Then after that, when everybody had their meal, he segregated the waste, the kitchen waste and the disposable waste, and later he came back to his NGO, reported to his seniors and felt happy. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, in the picture shown to us, I perceive 7 characters, 4 male and 3 females, the age bracket between 10 to 50 years old, all in a positive mood. The action of my story is food distribution on completing 25 years for the society. Ram, a 35-year-old, was the secretary of the APM society. On occasion of completing 25 years for the society, he heads a meeting with the members of the society, where he suggests the idea of having the Mahapuja and Mahaprasada. He also suggests to have the Rangoli so that people of the society can come together and contribute in it. Then he suggests he decides on the budget and also finalizes the menu item. After that, Ram checks, before the day of Puja, Ram checks if everything is done properly or not. On the day of Puja, he makes sure that everything is working fine and also serve the food, and everybody was happy and enjoyed the day. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, from the given picture I perceive 7 characters, 1 male, 2 female, age between 10 to 50 years old, all male positive. The action of my story is going on a religious trip with family and neighborhood. Abhishek, a boy who recently graduated, has went back to his school and he found out that the neighborhood is planning to go on a religious trip to Vaishno Devi. As Abhishek was also been a part of it, Abhishek planned proper brochure and also booked the tickets for all the members and the location that they are going to visit. And while visiting while they are traveling to the Vaishno Devi, they visited the famous site near where they attended the lecture. And Abhishek also saw that event in the Kada Prasad. After the very good event, Abhishek is planning an organization.
Then everyone, I have perceived 7 characters from the picture. 4 are males and rest are females. There is between 10 to 50 years old, and the action of my story is rescue the villagers from this mud. One was 30-year-old NDRF officer, and he was on leave in his field. He got to know that in his nearby village the flood has changed. He decided to go there along with some villagers. At the same time, he informed the NDRF team and go to the village. He gathered the villagers at the higher ground and provide them the food and the necessary things. After some time, our team reached there and rescued them. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I perceive in picture 8 characters, all who are positive and age between to 25 to 60 years. My story action is the organizing the Ma Annapurna camp. Ram was the 25-year-old student. Ram was the working in the Ma Annapurna NGO. Ram was going to Rampur village and Rampur village temple and showing some people are the hungry and stand away outside of the village and we decided and we thought we could plan to help him to food. Ram was decide to helping poor people and we go to Rampur village and provide to some foods and requirement item and Ram planned and successfully provide food and requirement item.
Well, gentlemen, from my story, I have perceived 8 characters, out of which 3 are females and 5 are male. Overall, the general mood is positive and the age bracket is from 8 to 64. So, and the theme of my story is the giving a part back to the world, and the action of my story is organizing a food campaign at refugee camp. Ramesh is a 23-year-old student and an NGO worker and a journalist. And also he is part of the NGO group from Bhopal camp. So Ramesh visits the Manipur border and where he sees that refugee camps are in very dire conditions. There he decides to organize a lunch campaign for them and then he serves everything and provides them ration as well. This not only enlightens their mood but also fills them with joy and spark as well. Ramesh is now satisfied and feels like he should return a lot more part back to the world. Jai Hind.
Jai everyone. I perceive in this picture in 7 characters, 3 male and 4 female, and all and his age bracket is 11 to 50 year old, and all are in his positive mood. And the action of my story is the happy family and together celebrating the picnic. Ram is a 25-year-old graduate student, and he was come in our home and he planned one little picnic with our family and after a day he collect some food material and buy vegetable from market and he go for picnic and celebrate happily together picnic and after family together happily enjoy.
Jai Hind everybody, I perceived in the picture 7 characters in which 4 are male and remains are female. So male age 21 to 29 and female 13 to 30. So Ram is an old man, age 25-year-old. He decided to do picnic because at this time he cultivated a lot of crops in this year. So he decided he and his family decided to make picnic at the field. Then they went to celebrate picnic. After going there, he served the food which was made by his family. After serving and eating, they came back to home and say to a lot of thanks for God providing a lot of crops. That is seen of the culture of India.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture I have perceived 8 characters, 3 male and 5 females. All in a positive mood. The age bracket is between age 8 to 50 and the action of my story is a disaster relief camp. Ram, a 26-year-old social worker,
Ram, a 26-year-old social worker, when he heard the news about floods in Uttarakhand, he and his team decided to work for it, as this disaster has affected the lives of people and they have been evacuated from their homes and the place where they live. So he and his team conducted a meeting and they decided about the location, and further that they advertised about funds, they raised the funds, they collected all the raw materials they required, they went to the location, set up with coordination with the government, they set up their camp in a very secure location. With the help of government and assisting them, they guided the people towards their camp, where they provided them stay, all the necessities. Also they served them food and also aided them with the first aid and whatever the requirements were. Later, till the end of the floods, they covered almost many peoples, and this gave them immense satisfaction.
Hi everyone, from the picture shown I perceive 7 characters, 3 male and 4 female. The age bracket between 8 to 40 years, all are in positive mood. The action of my story is providing food during the COVID times. The theme of my story is good action leads to good consequences. My story goes like Ram, a 29 years old man who was a social worker and was also associated with some NGOs. He used to selflessly help the needies. During COVID-19, in 2019, when the COVID hit, the food scarcity started. The economically weaker section had to have not even a half meal a day. That's when he decided to cook meal for the poor or the needies and feed them, feed as much as possible. And that's how he became the hero and got a lot many blessings. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived 7 characters, 4 male and 3 female. Age group lies between 8 to 65 years of age, and mood of all the characters is positive. Here, action of my story is doing picnic at the farmhouse. Here, Shivam is the main character of my story, who is working as a data analyst in Cognizant Indore. He, along with his wife, went to his hometown and planned to go for the picnic at the farmhouse with the family to share good time together. They went there, cooked food, shared conversation, food and memories together, plucked fresh fruits and vegetables, told a kid to see the farm, met the caretaker and shared moments with him. He was happy with the visit and the picnic, and he went home and to his workplace. Thank you.
Join everyone. From the given story, I perceive 8 characters, 5 are male, 3 are female. The age bracket lies between 6 to 35. The action of my story is ambition to complete his dream. Ram was a software engineer in MNC. On a holiday, he visited his hometown. For meeting his parents. While having a lunch, he had a thought of completing a dream which he had thought in last 5 years, for giving a parent a car and gold to his mother. After completing that, on next day he went back to join his office and work hard and do smart work. And he got a promotion, and after 5 years he completed his dream and gave to parents the car.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I perceive 7 characters, 4 male and 3 female. The age bracket is about 15 to 50, and the mood of the characters are positive. So the action of my story is distributing food to the poor. So my story is Ram is a 26-year-old student, and he recently got the job of his dream and was very happy to got the job. So he decided to distribute food to the poor, and the poor got very happy to get the food, and he finally joined his job.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I perceive 7 characters, 3 females, 4 males, age ranging between 14 to 40 years, all in positive mood. The action of my story is distributing food to the needy on his 22nd birthday. Rahul, a 22-year college student, on his 22nd birthday, decided to distribute food to the needy people.
Okay, you start, please, discussion.
So please, everyone, all are 7 characters. We all have perceived 7 to 8 characters. We can say that the age range is between and we can see that some kind of violence is going on in the farm area. So I feel that we really have to find the problem and then come to a solution. Okay, we can also see that they are agreeing on what the solution is. We can go with them by celebrating that thing. Okay, we are deciding. There is no problem in the picture because they are doing very people really like fun and that picture must be the conclusion of it. I feel that people were happy, but there was happy that is very good. As the food is considered from a distance. So the food is being served from a distance attached to that. Yeah, instead of was in a very good attire, whereas others were the villagers, and the boy who was serving was in a very good attire, which we can conclude that must be from a very good place, or he must be there for they are at a very good place, they are wearing very good attire. So let's go with the celebration point and I feel that
So our main, since our main character belongs to that village, so we can create the story that he creates some sort of exam on his from
it is a scene of a celebration.
So to organize examination from the sun and arrange the people at one single place. In addition to it, we can also add the actions such
People who have not been given a chance, they can also speak. Please start. Yes. So overall, we have come to this one. There are 7 to 8 characters, 3 female, rest are male, age group from 20 to 50 years, and the protagonist is serving the food. He has cleared some kind of examination, let's say this UPSC, and he is giving celebration in his village for his achievement. So he asked his sarpanch, asked his family and all, and organized
exam and okay, it is completed an exam and he went back to the village and they have a parents. Okay, it is a celebration. How is he interacting with each and every one of them? Like we can what we want to
parents or like family. We took permission from the organize. He served the food.
And also made a one point at the
there is a family get together. There are 6 members. It appears.
Start.
Thank you.
for nominating me, Jain sir. From the given picture, I have perceived there are 8 characters, 3 being female and 5 being male. Mood, age bracket lies from 8 to 50 years old. The overall mood is positive. The action of my story is NGO planning and offering praying to the gods. Theme of my story is organizing a NGO along with spreading love. Action story. Ram, a 26-year-old working professional working in a mechanical company. After clearing his TS entry for army exam, he came back to village and offered Bandara and called all the villagers for the Bandara. Through along with whom organized a NGO and spread awareness about the future of the more opportunities in the cities and government schemes which can help farmers and villagers for their farming. Thank you.
From the given picture, we have perceived 7 characters, 2 female, 5 males. The age group between 10 to 50 years of age. All are in positive mood. The action we have decided is NGO distributing langar. Aditya, 22 years old, was working in an NGO. He was tasked to organize a langar in Rampur village. He went there along with his team. He selected the land where the langar has to be distributed, prepared a balanced meal for the people who are there, then distributed the disposable itineraries to them. And after that, when everybody had their meal, they segregated the kitchen waste, the disposable waste, and disposed it. Later, he went to the NGO, reported to his senior, and felt happy. Thank you.
Jain sir, the group has perceived 8 characters, out of which 5 are males and 3 are females. The age bracket is between 8 to 60 years, and the overall mood is positive. The action of the story is organizing a family get-together. Ram, a 25-year-old boy who lived in a joint family in a backward village called Palampur. The educational institutes in that village were rare. Despite these circumstances, he cleared the UPSC Civil Services exam. To celebrate his success, since he belonged to a joint family in a backward village, they decided to make food and organize a Bandara amongst themselves. They decided to organize it in a most traditional way by sitting down, by offering prayers, and then they started eating food. After the food, they also offered prayer and enjoyed amongst each other. Thank you.
Jain sir, as from the picture we have perceived 7 characters, and 4 of them are male and 3 of them are female, including a kid. Their age ranges from 10 years to 30 years. So the action of a story is, this is a celebration moment from a village. Ram is a 24-year-old young man who was preparing for his selection for the cricket team. After a lot of efforts and trials, he finally gets selected in the team, and the upcoming inter-state tournament, he decided to celebrate his success. So he decided to invite all the people from the village for a lunch and invited them at his residence, and they all have put together lunch together and enjoyed.
Jain everyone. Jain sir. From the picture we perceive there are 8 characters, 5 are male and 3 are female. The age bracket lies between 6 to 35. It is the action of my story. It is a family get together. Ram was a software engineer. After clearing a UPSC exam, they visited his hometown. Celebrating his success. While having a lunch, he enjoyed a food with their family and had a thought of completing his dream after the joining of giving a car of parent and gold to his mother. After joining the services, he fulfilled his dream. Thank you.
Jain sir, from the group discussion we have arrived that there are 8 characters in the story. There are 8 characters, out of which 5 are male, 3 are females. Ages between 8 to 50 years and all are in the positive mood. Action of our story is celebrating success after clearing an exam. Ram, a 24-year-old UPSC aspirant, has recently cleared his civil services exam. Upon clearing his exam on the verge of success, he invited everyone in his village for a lunch to celebrate his success. Ram himself served the food and interacted with each and every one of them, and also told them about his future endeavors and how it be joining the academy and what would be the course of further actions. Everyone in the village blessed Ram for his future, and he thanked them in return for taking part in this service. Thank you.
Anyone else volunteer? You ready, Bola? Bolo.
Thank you, group, for nominating me. From the picture shown to us, we had pursued 7 characters, 4 male and 3 female, age bracket between 10 to 50 years old, all in a positive mood. The action of my story is organizing langar for the needy peoples. So Ram had went to Vaishnav Devi on the auspicious day of his daughter's birthday. So on that day, he decides to associate with the nearby NGO and try to distribute the food among the needy. So he makes sure that each and every one have a healthy food, and also they make use of the disposable waste which won't harm the nature. And everybody at the end were happy and satisfied, and also Ram felt good for it. Thank you.